I remember you, the shining light, mercy sent to guide us through. Every heart finds peace in you. Ya Rasulullah, my heart will say blessings on you every day. You are mercy, you are light, you lead us from the dark to right. Through the trials you stood so strong, teaching us what is right from wrong. With gentle words and patient way, you showed us how to live and pray.
From Mecca to Medina and road, your mercy spreads across the light.
Forever in our hearts you stay. We send our love to you today. Ya Rasulullah, my heart will say blessings on you every day. You are mercy, you are light, you lead us from the dark to light.